Hi everyone, I'm still the Vampire Julie, and I am torn into pieces right now. Because I've been waiting all day to go and lounge in my basement and wear a weird hat. But I have this math project I gotta do, and it's one or the other. And I gotta do the math project, but I'm itching to wear a weird hat, so I just don't know what to do. Wait a minute! No. Wait a minute! I got it. I can wear the hat and do the math project at the same time.
So get off your ass, let's do some math. Math, 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 math.
So here's my hat, and here's the problem. X plus 5 equals 12. We need to find out what x is. So to do that, we have to get the variable by itself, and therefore we can just minus the coefficient, because we added it here. We can just subtract and get 0. But because we did it here, we have to do it here. 12 minus 5. Do you know what that is? 7! That's right! And we can check this by doing 5 plus 7 equals 12. Here is my hat, and here's the next problem. X minus 18 equals 29. To get the variable by itself, we plus the 18, and then we just cross it out because it doesn't matter anymore. You don't matter anymore, 18! No one cares about you! And then we plus 18 here, and we get 47. So that means x equals 47. This is my hat, and this is the problem. 41 times k equals negative 2,747. Ah! Well, we just gotta do this. So, to get the variable by itself like we need to, we gotta get rid of coefficient by dividing the coefficient on each side. So we did that, and now we do this. Negatives are hard. They're hard. But for this one, you can just pretend there's not a negative there because you're dividing it. And then you get 67, and then you add the negative. So a negative divided by a positive is always a negative. So it's that simple. It's just kind of hard, though. So if any of you are just like cracking up at the sight of my hat, this is the only hat that fits me, and like barely fits me. I got a rectangular head. I've had Tori Collis when I was a kid. I just can't help it, and my mom likes poodles and she buys these things, so just don't crack up at the sight of my hat. I like hats, and I'm gonna wear hats, and they're no laughing matter, okay? Negative 67. This is my hat. It's a much more sensible hat. It doesn't really fit me, but, you know, it's, like, less laughable because it's just a safari hat, not a hat of a poodle. So just, like, hold your laughter for a second while I do this math problem. This is the math problem. 168 equals negative 84 times y. Ah! Alright, well, we're in it. We gotta finish it. So, we have to, because we're multiplying here, we divide here. 84. Doesn't matter. And now, negative 84 here. We can just pretend the negative isn't there. And so, 168 divided by 84 is 2. And because there's a negative here, we gotta put a negative here, and therefore it's 2. So y equals 2.
And that's all, folks.